Welcome to the show, everyone. You know, I love talking about everybody else on this show, and right now we're going to talk a lot of new people here today. So fun. My first guest is Ruki, and Ruki's going to tell everybody her real name, but everybody calls her Ruki. We're live on Facebook, so hi to everybody out there. Like us and follow us. We're going to share the show later on. So, Ruki, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do.
I'm Rukshini Sandasagaran, aka Ruki. Thank you so much, Farrell, for having me today. And I was so excited and looking forward for this day from the time you phoned me.
Thank you.
And also, I am excited in engaging and connecting with you as well as the audience. I help people 65 and older, as well as in Social Security, disability income, navigate health insurance without confusion. You may ask, Carol, why am I doing Medicare? 2 years ago, I had a wonderful couple. They were 65 and older, and they wanted to, the wife called and wanted to put the house on the market. And I went there and they told me that they went to see their daughter out of town and husband got sick. And they did not know they had to go to the medical cover, was covered for out of the city. So he died, and I had to put that. And on that day, I decided that it is my mission to learn about Medicare and help people.
That's awesome.
So I am local, independent broker, and a subject matter expert. So I work for my clients, not to the insurance company. My service is completely free. So I help families and individuals choose the right coverage when it comes to Medicare.
Oh, perfect. I love it. I mean, this is a free service, and a lot of people don't realize, I got to do this to you now. So a lot of people don't realize that there are people out there like you, that this service is out there. They also probably think that that's too good to be true, that it's free. Tell them what you think about that.
Yes. So basically, my patients and clients do not pay for me. The insurance companies pay a little bit. But my service is completely free when it comes to consultation, asking questions. I go way out of the way to make sure they are comfortable and happy with the service.
So what do you think the problem is, that independent agents, what do they solve?
Right. As independent agent, we personalize Medicare solution. So we sit with my clients and we discuss what their wants, wishes, and needs, as well as any potential gaps in their coverage. So I spend time understanding my patients' and clients' lifestyle, budget, doctors, prescriptions, as well as special needs, and then present to them Medicare option that best fit their need. So I build a relationship, Carol, which I maintain throughout the year. So I review their plan, any updates on changes, as well as what is happening in the healthcare world. So basically, I become their advocate with them and their caregiver. In the situation I explained, only if I have been a Medicare agent, they could have called me and I could have provided some assistance.
So your information is, the phone number is 480-646, or is it 640?
640.
Okay, 640-9747. So let me say it again, 480-640-9747. The website is EXCELSinsurance.com. She's valley-wide. And what you are is a local independent broker that helps your clients understand the ins and the outs of Medicare.
Correct.
Okay.
That is exactly. And on top of it, we help them throughout while they are with us. So even after they have got the Medicare plan, we work with them and guide them through.
So does Medicare cover all their costs?
No. Medicare is not designed to cover all our costs. Original Medicare has many gaps, such as deductible, co-payment, and co-insurance. That's why people tend to take additional coverage like Medicare Advantage plan, Medicare Supplemental plan, prescription drug plan, as well as vision and dental. So they can pay for their out-of-pocket costs and try to get a complete coverage.
So I'm going to do this to you again, okay? Why do you call your business EXCELS Insurance?
So I want people to excel in their solution and find an answer. That's why I wanted it to be, and the S stands for seniors as well.
So finding the solution, excel in finding your solutions in
Correct.
Medicare. So the phone number again, it's 480, it's 640-9747. You can check her out on her website. It's EXCELS with an S, insurance.com. She's valley-wide, and this is a free service to the families and her clients.
That's exactly, Karen. I come to see the clients at their home, comfort of their home, and so they don't need to come to me.
So she comes to you in your home. Okay, so what costly mistakes people make and how do they avoid them?
Correct. Nowadays, people are working 65 and older. This leads to confusion on when and how to enroll for Medicare. So if people do not understand the process of Medicare, this can lead to potential penalties due to late enrollment.
That's big, because if you get late enrollment, what happens?
They can get penalties. So
Absolutely.
that is very important. And so it is never too early for people to get educated about Medicare. So my best advice will be register for educational seminars.
So do you do those?
Yes.
Where do you do them?
So I do my Medicare educational seminars online as well as in person all year round.
And is that information on your website?
Correct. Yes, people can go to my website. All the information are there.
Check it out. It's EXCELS with an S, insurance.com. We only have a couple of minutes. I'm going to try and get this one in here, okay? So why is your service, different from other agents?
I focus on building lifelong relationship. I am not transactional. Medicare is very important to us as it impacts our health care as well as finances.
So go ahead.
So it should not be taken lightly or rushed.
Absolutely. There's too many alphabets in the Medicare soup, right?
Yes.
And so I love making you laugh there because it's true though.
Absolutely. So Part A covers only the in-hospital service. Part B covers outpatients as well as preventative care. Part D covers prescription drug coverage. So why my service is different is I focus on educating my client, providing information so they understand the choices that they are making as well as their caregiver. I make a point to include the caregivers who can be their children as well as their family.
She comes to you right to your home or where you are. She wants you to excel in your understanding of the solutions of Medicare, correct?
Correct, Karen.
Her phone number to call is 480-640-9747. The website is EXCELS with an S, insurance.com. She is also valley-wide. This is a free service to you. She's a local independent broker. It is very important to use somebody local. Again, that number is 480-640-9747. It is EXCELSinsurance.com.